Can you think of a word that starts with G? Maybe goat or garden? Let's find out 100 more fun G words together. Galaxy, gem, glitter, glow, gold, giant, ghost, glacier, gravity, glamour, geyser, glimmer, gargoyle, gyroscope, glowworm, everyday objects, girl, gift, game, glass, gate, glue, globe, guitar, glasses, garage, gas, grill, grid, gear, gadget, goat, giraffe, gorilla, goose, goldfish, grasshopper, a gecko, greyhound, guppy, gull, grizzly, groundhog, gazelle, grouse, gnu, grapes, garlic, ginger, ghee, gum, granola, gravy, gelato, green tea, guacamole, gingerbread, gnocchi, graham crackers, grapefruit, guava. People, professions, and actions. Gardener, guitarist, goalkeeper, governor, guard, guest, gamer, gymnast, grocer, graduate, guide, grower, glider, giver, gatherer. Places and geography. Germany, Greece, Greenland, Ghana, Guatemala, Gulf, Galapagos, Gibraltar, Ganges, garden. Adjectives and feelings. Good, great, gentle, glad, grumpy, gorgeous, golden, generous, graceful, grateful. Science, school, and useful words. Grammar, genome, geometry, generator, gauge. Great! You learned 100 words that start with G. Watch more letters on Angel's Academy. See you next time.